Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are totally opposites. Today I was chased by a chicken and Shannon runs from chickens. Okay, literally there was, what did they call it?
It was a pigeon.
It was a pigeon
Or dove.
on my passenger side mirror when I was getting ready to go to my second job today. And I was scared of it. And every time
That pigeon owns her truck now.
I gave that pigeon my truck.
Mm-hmm.
I walked towards it and it leaned in at me. And then I walked to like the driver's side and the chicken walked over my truck and went to this where it.
No.
I was scared. I was terrified
I'm calling
for my
in
life. And I didn't know, like, I don't know if they give you lice. I don't know if they peck, like, remove arm skin.
Eyeballs? No. No. No.
Shannon has a real life phobia of birds. And today I legit
If I'm running,
understand
there's
why.
probably a bird.
We went to Jamaica, and I didn't understand this. We went to Jamaica, and Shannon's carrying around this 50-pound dragon. And my daughter had a bird, and Shannon is shaking and crying.
They were holding a giant parrot. And to be fair, the guy that worked there said that that bird was more likely to hurt you than the lizard. He'll peck your eyes out. Anyway, today we have Jen's Allure box for August.
Allure.
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 You're going to take your little booker. First day of school never looks so good.
What was that noise? Something shifted.
There's a paper right behind it. The fan's crinkling the paper.
That fan just...
It's crinkling this. Get
okay,
this out of here.
the fan just literally fell all by itself on its own, and now I'm paranoid schizophrenic, so let's...
You're fine.
Okay. Okay, this box is now $29. When I locked in, it was $25.
They're running a thing where you can get your first one for $10.
Shut up.
Yeah, I saw it on the Facebook the other... Oh. So this isn't the same kind that I have.
No.
No. This is the Tower 28 Juice Balm Vegan Tinted Lip Balm Treatment in Drink, Mix, or Squeeze. Which color did you choose?
I chose mix. So,
these adorable crayons pack a pretty punch of color in a hydrating stick format. It's like your favorite lip balm and a beloved lipstick had a baby. This retails for $16.
oh, okay. It's a screw job.
Okay.
Okay. Oops. Okay, so the color is nice. The formula feels good.
It's quite sheer. Oh, look at it.
Yeah. I'm going to be honest.
It smells like nothing.
There's controversy bad over this little dinner. When I went to make my choice, I did the Google just so I could see what color I was actually choosing. And I ran into the Reddit.
Oh, no.
Yeah. And there was, you know, when it's on the Reddit and there's a whole Reddicism about this, it's not good. Apparently, the deal with this is that this was taken off the market a year or so ago. And this is not even available. And Redditors...
So it's old.
Are not sure if this is old.
It says you can buy it on Revolve.com.
Revolve?
Mm-hmm.
It's not on the Tower 25, 27? 28 website. They're not sure if this is old or where you get it if you want it, but if it tells you where. But they're
Revolve.com.
They're mad.
We're gonna look into that. Maybe we'll do a little tea.
Okay. Yeah. I was excited until I ran into the Reddicism, and now I was like,
Ooh.
what is this? Okay, are you ready to move on?
I'm ready because I want to. I'm
What are we
interested
doing
in
now?
The next thing. It's Fresh. What's that one? Black Tea Anti-Aging Eye Cream from Fresh.
Okay.
We've seen this brand in the Ipsy a couple times, but it's almost always like a face wash.
Yeah, and it's good. It's a good face wash.
Fresh is a forever favorite skincare brand, and the smoothing eye cream in its beloved black tea line does not disappoint. Ooh. Everything about it makes it a joy to use. The pretty pot, the way the cream feels cooling and soothing, the blend of moisturizing and antioxidant ingredients that smooth and brighten the delicate skin around your eye.
Yes, please. So I love that
it's a cute pot.
I love that it has a seal on it.
Too. It's almost like coffee colored. I mean, it's tea colored, I guess.
Oh,
it's black tea.
Black tea, duh.
It's kind of got a bronzy lid. It is plastic, which is fine.
So I'm not gonna open it because I opened an eye cream that I got in Allure last month.
This one's in your empties because I want to know. So that pot retails for $72.
This?
Lies.com.
Okay, let's open this because I need to know what we're...
They don't even give you a coupon code. You just have to pay full price for that bitch. I want to smell it. Does it smell like tea? A little bit. Yeah. And it is not white.
No, it's kind of like a brown, like a creamy coffee creamer color.
That's almost balmy.
This is exactly the type of formula I like too. Oh, this is going to be super nice. Okay.
It has more fragrance than I would like. Like, this fragrance is sticking around.
It really does have more fragrance than I like around my eye as well.
It feels so nice. I mean, it should. For $72, every wrinkle I have should disappear.
Yeah,
but
it better stretch these crow feet out. Oops. Okay.
You're going to love that.
I hope so.
All right. Glow Recipe. You're excited about this one.
Oh, it's Watermelon.
Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner.
Oh, yay.
So, this is a 40 ml bottle. So, this is about a quarter of the size of a full-size bottle.
Okay, so first of all, I'm noticing that this is glass.
Oh, even for the travel size is glass.
And I've had the itty bitty before, like from the Ipsy dinner, and it's plastic and it's this big.
Like the sample one.
The sample. Oh, this is
this is like travel size.
Okay.
So
I'm about this.
So a full size one is 150 mils. So a full size one is just under 4 times that size.
Okay.
And it retails for $36.
Okay.
And that's a lot of toner.
It is a lot of toner.
And if you go to glowrecipe.com and use code Allure, you can save 15% through September 1st.
I love that. So, you know that I have a love-hate with Glow Recipe.
We both do.
But the watermelon line is my jam.
I know. I saw it in the book and I was like, she's gonna love that one.
This is hydrating, moisturizing, dewy, glowy, all the things
and
that
that's
I
a good
love.
size. Like, that'll be perfect for bringing on vacation.
This is going on vacation with us, so if you want to try it.
And it's enough. It's enough to know if you're going to like it. That's enough.
Yeah.
That's enough usages that you're not going to feel like you got a stupid little travel.
Yeah.
Stupid little travel size.
This is a good size.
That's plenty of toner.
Love this.
Okay. So next is this guy.
Okay, who are you?
It's Beauty for Certain Cream Highlighter in Pearlescent Taupe.
Ooh.
Which sounds like a color you might like because you like 50 Shades of Taupe. Glowing skin is a summery makeup staple, and this creamy highlighter is a sparkling champagne shade that delivers that and more, adding instant radiance to cheeks and lids. So this retails for $20.
This?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which isn't crazy for a highlighter, but it is little.
It's an itty bitty. Oh, that's pretty. It's sweating. Yeah. It's not bacteria.
187 degrees here in Michigan. That does not look
No, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it doesn't look moldy or
No,
anything.
it's definitely sweating. And it's a cream product, so I understand that. Okay.
Okay. You're gonna like this.
I'm gonna like this. So it's actually there. I know you can't see it, but it is there. I know. This is the kind of highlight I like.
And so if I hold it back and let the light shine on it, it's there. It just kind of gives you a little, oh, she's going in.
Yeah, you cannot tell me anything right now.
I can tell you that that's not a highlighter.
I like the formula. It's just barely balmy, and I like that.
And this is the kind of the color that you like.
This is the color I love.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited
exciting.
about this.
And if you really do love it, it's $20. That seems like a little package for that, but if you love it, $20 is not gonna break your bank.
No, it's not.
It's not a $72 item.
No.
All right, so the next one is this guy.
Okay.
It's the Innisfree green tea enzyme. Which one did you get? Green tea seed hyaluronic acid serum.
Okay, did you get this in the Ipsy charm last month? I think you did. The packaging was beautiful.
So that's serum. That's 10 mils for 80 mils. So 8 times that size is $30. So Innisfree is not expensive.
No.
They're not outrageously priced if you like them. We're not really fans.
It's a brand that we've been seeing a lot lately, and it's kind of getting overwhelming because I know the 2 products I've used I didn't love. I don't know if it's just not catering towards my skin type, or it's just it
feels like it's made for younger skin is what it feels like to me.
Yeah.
As refreshing and quenching as a tall iced tea, each of these K-Beauty formulas help protect skin with antioxidant green tea all summer long. So when I think of K-Beauty, I think of younger skin.
Yeah. I think I agree with that.
Not that we can't use it as more mature women, but it's not a thing that caters to.
Yeah. I think you're right.
So I think this is probably a brand that's more catering to the younger crowd.
I agree.
Which is fine.
It is fine because there's definitely a market for this kind of stuff.
Young people need to take care of their skin too. If you like Innisfree, receive 15% off your us.innisfree.com purchase with code IF Allure OG15.
Stop it, you're doing too much.
So that's good through November 1st.
Okay.
If Allure OG15. Okay. Bloom Buds Power Patches for Acne. So you got some pimple patches. This is a half a box.
Okay.
A full box. This is 12 count. A full pack comes with 24 for $17, which is a lot for pimple patches.
It actually really is. I think I get a whole box of Heroes for $8.
I got the which one? Elf. I got Elf ones from the TJ Maxx for $5.
Cool. And we've been getting an obnoxious amount of pimple patches lately.
They're hot right now.
And I'm trying not to get pimples because I'm elderly. So I'm trying not to have that problem right now on top of everything else that's going on.
You do have a teenage son, though.
I do.
Would he use a pimple patch?
He would if I forced him.
Okay. He probably wouldn't want the holographic teddy bear.
No, he would never. What did you think?
This box was good. You got more full size than not this time because, well, I guess you got 3 full size and 3 not full size. But
yeah,
these were full size. This is travel and not
that, but it's still
sample.
A really
and it's
good
plain
size.
For $30, shoot, you can't go wrong with this box.
Yeah, so I think this is probably the only thing I'm not interested in, and that's because it's just not for me.
Yeah.
It's not even its fault.
This felt a little skincare heavy to me this month.
I would agree.
Which happens, it's fine.
It
Next
does.
month you might get 80% makeup.
Mm-hmm.
But everything was usable. Like, this would be fine if the brand was for you.
So basically, these are all brands I'm familiar with.
Yes.
And appreciate. Other than I don't appreciate this, but this is not its fault.
This.
I am side-eyeing you, but only because of what I've heard and read and what they say in the rumors.
It's good. It was good.
$72? What? When you see me next, I hope you guys all notice that I'm gonna
be using this because your skin's gonna be the skin of a 21-year-old.
So, great box.
I don't think you can go wrong with this box.
I don't either. Not
There's
for the
not
price.
been a single box that we were like, this is fine. There's not been a single box that we thought was boring.
Something in this box always makes it like,
and these are brands that like we've seen Glow Recipe a bit. We've seen this too much lately, but it's a kind of a newer up and coming brand. But we don't see Fresh a lot. We've not seen, who was this? Whoever made this beauty for
beauties.
Chicks. I don't know.
Beauty for
BFC
bitches.
We've not seen this brand a lot.
No.
So you're getting brands that are kind of fresh and exciting.
Yes. Brands that aren't being shoved down our throats other than Innisfree.
Innisfree has been shoved down our throats lately. But in general, they're not.
So I thought it was a good box.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see what we do next month. The only thing that's a little bit weird to me about this box is that we make the choice so far in advance.
You kind of forget.
That I forget what I'm doing
with it. That kind of makes it fun, though.
Yeah. I forget every month what is happening.
Even though she makes a poll on Facebook about it. Do you like this box? Do you get this box?
What color did you choose of Tower 75?
Have you heard about the controversies?
What do you think of the controversies?
Sheesh. Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring ring.
We will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.